Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market as usual. So last week, or better to say 2 weeks ago, we have made the assumption that probably gold market should show the upward retracement, not because of the changing, because of the changing in the fundamentals. Fundamentals mostly stands the same. We still have long-term bearish view on the gold market by many reasons. So previously we already explained that. But in a shorter-term perspective, market stands it's a bit overextended to the downside. So it stands at the weekly and daily oversold. So that was a couple of weeks ago. And that was the reason why we thought that some minor relief should happen on the market, and some reasonable retracement, at least the 30% on the weekly chart bounce could happen. Now, as you can see, for the first week of response on the market of this support area that we have specified, this is not just the weekly oversold, this is also yearly pivot support one. That's it's very important area for gold and for any market. So the market right now stands in upward bounce. So our suggestion was correct, and indeed this upward acceleration stands really good. Gold market shows nice performance in the rest of the week. As you can see, as a result of this performance on Friday, on the background of the Fed Chairman Powell, for those of you who do not know, he have given the hint that inflation pressure in the United States is not as strong as Fed expected initially. So, and policy of the Fed Reserve could be a bit more accommodative to current pressure of the inflation. So it doesn't need to be so strong and so aggressive. And that statement was treated by many traders as a bit dovish. That has led to a significant dollar drop on the market. As a result, dollar-related assets in the Forex market and the gold have shown significant rally on the intraday charts. So, as a result of this rally, as you can see, gold has hit the daily overbought. Still, market hasn't reached major resistance area at 12.17, and it means that on the common week we continue our action, our work with this upward action, upward rally that stands right now, and we think that perspective of the rally within the few weeks, market could reach at least 12.38, 12.52 confidence resistance. That's our minimum target of this retracement. Meantime, as gold market right now stands at overbought, on a common week we expect some minor pullback here before upward action will continue. Actually, guys, if you remember, we have talked about 1185 as a possible starting point of the upward action, but on Friday, when we saw a reaction on this level, we thought that maybe market will show another leg down to 1175. As soon as the Powell's comment have been released in the Jackson Hole press conference, so you can see gold market has shown a rally, and indeed the upward action has started from 1185. So, but anyway, performance looks very good, and as a result of this performance, gold market has reached intraday our initial ABC bottom XOP target. This also, as you can see, previous consolidation that will work as a resistance, and this XOP has been reached right at the daily overbought. This combination of the target and the overbought lets us suggest some pullback, retracement. We think that retracement will be either at 1198 or 12 even, approximately, or 1190. This is confidence support on the follow time frame chart. That's two levels that we should reach for. We should keep an eye on. It's possible target of the retracement that could happen. This is first moment. And second moment, our ABCD pattern here has been completed. So market has reached the ultimate target. It means that we need to increase the scale of the targeting. And that we could turn to the larger ABCD pattern, and its target stands at 1224. That is next destination point will be for a gold market. market has not the chance to reach it because you can see real fast acceleration on the city leg here. It's minor pullback. It's upward continuation is possible. So that's will be our next destination point on the gold market in the medium-term perspectives. With this week, maybe next week, so within 2 weeks probably. But first, let's keep watching on the possible bounce in the beginning of the week. In general, we expect the same price action on euro currency, so it's also a bit overextended up, and we think that the week should start from some pullback. But in general, overall sentiment in the short-term perspective on the gold market stands bullish, and it's probably upward action will continue as soon as retracement will be over.